Last week in science, we talked about what we saw in the sky during the day and during the night. And we saw different things. So this week we are reading a story. It's called A Bird Named Fern. And what we're going to find out, what can you see in the sky? Read how a bird named Fern learns about clouds. So we said clouds were in our skies. Little Fern was always full of questions. She wanted to know about everything in the world. One day, Fern saw something up in the sky. What is that big white boat doing in the sky? She asked herself. I want to find out. There's the boat. It would be great to ride on that big white boat, Fern said. So she stretched her wings and took off. Fern's wings helped her climb up, up, up. But when she got close to the boat, she was surprised. The boat looked like a fluffy bed. It changed. Fern was sleepy and wanted to rest, so she leaped on the bed, but she fell right through it. I see another bed, said Fern. I will try to land on that one. But the same thing happened again. I'd better go home, cried Fern. Maybe Mom and Dad can explain this. So Fern began to fly home. As she did, the beds turned dark gray. Then it started to rain. Poor Fern was soaked when she got home. Where were you? Asked Mom and Dad. Fern told them all about her trip. First, we will try you off, said Mom. Then we will teach you about clouds, added Dad. And that is what they did. What do you know about clouds? What did the clouds look like to Fern? Well, first of all, it looks like a boat. That's right, a big white boat. And then she got sleepy, so she thought it looked like a bed. If you look up at the sky and you see clouds, what kind of shapes can you see up in the sky? And do you think you can lie on those? No, explain to your study buddy why you can't lie on clouds. What's wrong with that?